Welcome 12th science students. Subject chemistry. Topic chemical kinetics. From this video we going to study integrated rate law for gaseous phase reaction and numericals related to first order reaction. Video presented by Mr. R.G. Taure, Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. Let's study integrated rate law of first order for gas phase reaction. In last video we learned integrated rate law of first order for liquid solution. Whenever the reactant or product taken in liquid form, liquid solution, that we already studied how the first order reaction and their integrated rate law. Now we're going to study gas phase reaction. Reactant A decompose to gives B and C gaseous product. As you know, the concentration of liquid solution are expressed in molarity. The pressure are expressed as the concentration of reactant or product. Whenever we express the concentration of reactant or product in gaseous form, their pressure are taken. So the initial pressure of reactant A is P1, and as the reactant A decreases, there is a decrease in the concentration, that is decrease in the pressure take place, and that decrease in pressure is X within time T. So the pressure of reactant A remain at time T, that is PA, is equal to initial pressure minus X, that is P1 minus X. Pressure of the product B and C at time TR. So as the time proceed, there is an increase in the pressure of product B and C, and at a particular time T it reaches, that is partial pressure of B is equal to partial pressure of C is equal to X. It reaches to X. So the total pressure in that container at time T, it containing reactant A, product B and C in the gaseous form. So overall pressure, that is P, is equal to P1 minus X plus X plus X. So overall P, that is total pressure, is equal to Pi, that is P1 plus X. That is total pressure at time T. Now P is equal to P1 plus X. So X is equal to total pressure P minus P1. Pressure of A at time T obtained by substitution. We have to calculate the value for P1, that is PA is equal to P1 minus X. So PA is equal to, on putting the value of X, P1 minus P minus P1. On solving, partial pressure of A is equal to P1 minus P plus P1. So partial pressure of A is equal to 2P1 minus P. Now, you know the integrated rate equation for first order reaction. K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log to the base 10 initial concentration of reactant divided by concentration of reactant A at time T, that is concentration of A0 divided by concentration of AT. This is the first form of integrated rate law of first order reaction. For gaseous phase, thus initial concentration of reactant A, that is A0, is equal to P1, and at time T, AT is equal to 2P1 minus P. On substitution in the equation. K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log to the base 10 P1 divided by 2P1 minus P, where P is total pressure of the reaction mixture at time T. Before going to study numerical regarding first order reaction, let us see formula based on first order reaction. Integrated rate equation of first order reaction, K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log to the base 10 concentration of A0 divided by concentration of AT. Now, half-life time of first order reaction, T1 half is equal to 0.693 divided by K, where K is the rate constant for the first order reaction, and from previous formula, initial concentration is denoted as A0 and concentration of reactant A after time T, that is concentration of AT. Now study numericals based on first order reaction. First, in a first order reaction, the concentration of reactant decreases from 20 mole per cubic decimeter to 8 mole per cubic decimeter in 38 minutes. What is half-life of reaction? Student, solution. In this reaction, the reaction is first order, so we have to use that integrated rate equation of first order. The initial concentration is 20 mole per cubic decimeter. That is initial concentration 20 mole per cubic decimeter. After time T 38 minutes, it reaches to 8 mole per cubic decimeter. So concentration of AT is equal to 8 mole per cubic decimeter. We have to calculate half-life time of first order reaction. So we have to first calculate rate constant of first order reaction using the given values. K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log to the base 10 initial concentration of reactant divided by concentration at time T. On putting the value, K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log to the base 10 20 mole per cubic decimeter divided by 8 mole per cubic decimeter. On solving the ratio 20 by 8, we get K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log to the base 10 0.3979. On solving, we get K is equal to 0.02411 per minute. This is the value for rate constant of the reaction. We have to calculate half-life time, that is T1 half is equal to 0.693 divided by K is equal to 0.693 divided by 0.2411. We get 28.74 minutes. So half-life of first order reaction is 28.74 minutes. Let's study second example. In first order reaction, A react to gives B. 40% of the given sample of compound remain unreacted in 45 minutes. Calculate the rate constant of reaction. Solution. That is the first order reaction. We have to write integrated rate equation for first order reaction. K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log to the base 10 initial concentration of reactant A divided by concentration at time T, that is A0 divided by AT. 40% of the given sample of compound remain unreacted. That is 60% of the reactant are consumed, remaining 40% of the reaction in 45 minutes. 45 मिनिटं झाल्यानंतर 100% 60% कंझ्युम झालेला आहे आणि 40% शिल्लक राहिलेला आहे. आणि ॲज द 40% शिल्लक राहिलेला आहे, इनिशियल कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन हॅव टू टेक 100%. ज्यावेळी पर्सेंट मध्ये दिलेलं असणार आहे त्यावेळी इनिशियल कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन हे 100% आणि कंझ्युम झालेलं 60, that is remaining 40. So A initial concentration, that is A0 is equal to 100 and concentration at time t, that is AT, is equal to 40. So on putting the value, K is equal to 2.303 divided by T, that is 45 minutes, log to the base 10, 100 divided by 40. T 45 मिनिट सबस्टिट्यूट केल्यानंतर K is equal to 0.02036 per minute. Let's study third example. Half-life period of first order reaction is 41.09 minute. Calculate rate constant in per second. So various type of example regarding first order and half life may be asked. Every time the different values are given. So here in this numerical, first order ज्या रिॲक्शनचा हाफ लाईफ टाइम दिलेला आहे आणि त्याच्यावरून रेट कॉन्स्टंट आपल्याला डिटरमाइन करायचा आहे इन पर सेकंड. हाफ लाईफ टाइम हाफ मिनिट मध्ये दिलेला आहे आणि रेट कॉन्स्टंट कॅल्क्युलेशन करण्यासाठी पर सेकंडचा यूज करायचा आहे. सोल्युशन. गिवन हाफ लाईफ टाइम फॉर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन इज गिवन T1 half is equal to 41.09 minute. We have to calculate first into second, that is 41 into 41.09 minute into 60 second. So 2465.4 second, that is half life period of the given first order reaction in second. To calculate the rate constant, use the formula T1 half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. On putting the value of T1 half, K is equal to 0.693 divided by T1 half. So K is equal to 0.693 divided by 2465.4. On solving, we get K is equal to 0.000281 per second. So various type of example in board exam may be asked. Use integrated rate equation for first order reaction, zero order reaction. Sometimes you have to calculate half life time. Sometimes half life time is given. You have to calculate rate constant. So write specific formula and using the substitution, calculate properly and write the answer. Okay. Thank you.